What's up everybody, this is Yair and today I'm gonna redraw my subscribers' art. Okay, so one of my subscribers, Richard, reached out for a commission and he basically wanted me to redraw his original Saiyan character. This is a pretty cool design, so I got a lot to work with. So without further ado, enjoy the process and stick with me till the end of the video. Here goes. And we are done! Everybody. Okay, so let's take a look at the final result. As you can see, I went with some warm colors for the mountains and for the background as well. I changed his shoe a bit just to make it look more interesting, and I tried something new with a shine effect. Some energy threads coming out of his body, along with his deadly technique from his right hand. Overall, I'm very happy with the outcome. Let me know what you think about this drawing, comment down below. And if you guys have a name for this Saiyan, let me know. I'm gonna pin the name who makes the most sense. If you want a commission as well, email me at yarisasson22@gmail.com. And now I'm doing black and white commissions as well. So make sure to order a piece for yourself. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every weekend. Thanks a lot for watching, of course. I appreciate you all. Shout out to Richard. Thank you, my man, for the support. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!